Welcome to the Quiz 1 video. This is a video for Quiz 1 CIT 63. In this video we'll cover Chapter 1 of our course textbook and some of the main topics. An operating system can be categorized according to, you need to know what an operating system is. The operating system that I'm demonstrating in our demos is called Windows. You may use the Mac OS operating system, which is based on Linux, but the number of users that a operating system can handle and the number of tasks, both of these. Major components of a typical computer system consist of the CPU, the brain of the computer, input-output devices, main memory or RAM, and secondary storage, all of these. Computer programming is both an art and a science. It's a science in the fact that there is a specific syntax that you must follow. Opening French brace must have a closing French brace. Opening parenthesis must have a closing parenthesis. But you have to do some critical thinking. That's where the art comes in. Another term for programs is software. If you can't touch it, it's software. One of the design tools used by programmers when creating a model of the program is a model of the program. This is arithmetic logic unit. It's not this. A compiler is a software program that compiles your source code into object code or byte code, in our case in Java. Pseudocode means false code. In short, English-like statements that resemble programming code. Purpose of validating the results of a program is to determine whether the program solves the original program. To validate means to prove or verify. Cross between human language and programming language is pseudocode, as mentioned in a previous question. Which of the following professions use the computer as a tool? All. RAM, random access memory. Static, nope. It is volatile. That means when you turn your computer off, everything on your screen goes away because it is in RAM. Computer can do a wide variety of tasks because it can be programmed. Watch Pirates of Silicon Valley and you will hear Bill Gates say how he made a fortune. He made a fortune because he realized the computers needed to be programmed. And what is a computer program? A set of instructions that enables the computer to do something. Secondary storage is non-volatile. It does not go away when you turn your computer off. USB drives, solid state drives, yes, disk drives, all of these. The end of a Java statement is done with a semicolon. That's called a statement terminator. It can span lines, but the end of a statement is a semicolon, just like the end of a sentence in the English language is a period. Java is developed by Sun, now owned by Oracle. Runtime error is usually the result of bad data. It means your program runs, but if you expect, for example, string, or if you expect integer input and you give it a string input and you try to provide math on that, or some type of a math operation like hours worked times pay rate, and you don't put in numbers for both hours worked and pay rate, you're going to get an error. And that's a runtime error. A set of programming language statements together perform a specific task. Set of programming language statements is a procedure. Procedures are similar to functions. Functions are called methods in the Java language, and we'll learn more about what functions are. But just know that they are a block of code at this point. The CPU consists of a control unit and the ALU. That's true. It's in Chapter 1. Software entity as objects. We are eventually going to be creating objects because Java is an object-oriented programming language. That's what this class business is all about. Special language used to write computer programs. Programming language. Our programming language is called Java. We'll run the compiled program, read it. Java, we're calling the Java virtual machine here, and read it. You do not use the Java extension. You use go or run. So Java and read it. Save and submit when you're done. Click OK. And then review. See if you missed any. Pay attention to the one that you missed. Yes. There we go. Even if you do not answer the questions, you will see the answers. This concludes the Chapter 1 quiz video, about 6 minutes.